Today I am going to share with you how to make this simple photo manipulation using watermelon and fish in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will go to social media, and in here I will choose YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. And after coming to elements, I will use this slice of watermelon, and the keyword is watermelon wedge. Like this, I will click in here and I will rotate it like this one, and after that I will use this image which says goldfish looking for way out. Okay, and I will just click it here and I will just make it bigger. Okay, and I will decrease the transparency to check if it is working for me or not. So I have to make it bigger so that the water layer goes to this layer. Okay, so like this I have to keep it. Okay, and after that click on Ctrl plus A to select both of them and just make both of them a bit smaller because you want to arrange both the images together. Okay, now press on Ctrl plus X to cut this image and press on add page, and here click on Ctrl plus V to add this and click on transparency and increase the transparency to 100. And after that, for this watermelon slice, click on duplicate page, and in the next page I will click on edit, scroll down, come to filters, click on see all, scroll down to find duotone, click on custom and change both the highlights and shadows color to black. Okay, so this part is done. Now let's work on this image, and I will click on BG remover once, and after that click on BG remover twice, and it will activate this pixel eraser, and you need to click on this eraser and decrease it to 10. Okay, now work in the edges here so that the red part is not visible in the main picture. Now increase the size. Again increase the size now because you need to work on it fast, because now whether you delete all the parts, it is not required to work on minute details here. So this part is done. Now click on this cross button. Okay, so as you can see, the slice part is ready. Now scroll down. Now download the page 2 and 3 individually. So for that I will click on share, click on download. So to maintain the same pixel, please use PNG here and click on current page 2, click on download. Okay, and after that scroll down and follow the same process. Okay, now click on add page and just re-upload both the designs. Okay, now scroll down to apps here, click on search and here write blend and click on blend image and click on bottom layer. For this one, use selected image and make sure the blend mode is in screen. For the top layer, use this one. So as you can see, this is the image. So now scroll all the way up to this image and click on add to design and make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, now as you can see, it has a white background. To remove that, click on BG remover. So the background is removed, as you can see. Now right click it, go to layer, send to back. But as you can see that in this image, this fish is missing. So how to bring this fish? Select this layer, copy it, make sure you select the re-uploaded image, because if you select this one, if you click on BG remover, the image will remove this fish also. Okay, so I will select the re-uploaded image and I will bring it in the canvas and I will make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and after that click on BG remover. Okay, now as you can see, the fish and the water splash is intact. Now click on crop and bring it here, and as you can see, the splash part and the fish part is intact. Okay, now I will just select all of them by pressing Ctrl plus A and group them. Okay, now I will just move it slightly and scroll all the way up to elements, and this time I will select this watermelon which says whole ripe watermelon, and I will use this one and I will bring it here. Okay, and I will make it a bit smaller and I will rotate it slightly, and this one I will right click it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, but as you can see, there is a problem that this watermelon is here, but this is not getting seen in this part. So in the water part you cannot see the watermelon here. So how to bring that in here? So for that I will just ungroup this, right, and after that right click it, go to layer, show layer, and this time I will select this layer which has the goldfish part, and I will click on here and click on duplicate, and in here first I will just resize it and make it to the same size. Just decrease the transparency and check if it is in the same size or not, or the same alignment or not. So this is, so now this is aligned, as you can see. Okay, now increase the transparency. Okay, now decrease the transparency to 50, and now select this layer and bring it just below this slice layer, and for this watermelon just bring it above this layer, and now as you can see it is visible. Just you have to adjust the layer slightly, and now it is intact. Now if you move this layer above or below, the transparency is intact, as you can see in here. Okay, now for the important work you have to see that there is a shadow, because without that the image is not proper. So for that I will just go to elements again, and here I will write shadow and go to graphics, click on see all, and you can select any shadow from here. I will select this one. Okay, just place it here and just make it bigger. Okay, now select this layer, decrease the transparency a bit, keep it to 80 and duplicate it and place the same here. Okay, now right click it, go to layer, show layer, and select both the shadow layer and move it all the way down. And now your image is ready. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.